Yeah, this is Oscar outside on a Saturday. My son took off to Colorado and left his Sprinter here. And then I have my other son who's got a 100-watt panel on there too. But anyway, I'll check his. I'm going to check that one up there. But I'm using this one as a medium. We already took readings before, the day before, but I want to take a fresh reading right now. Okay, this is Oscar on the checking this number 1 panel, and we have voltage 19.34. Okay, that's all I wanted to know was the voltage, and then also I'm going to check an amp reading. Okay, I'm doing that amp reading, connecting up the negative, and now I'm connecting the positive. You can see it's shady back here because of this tree. The back panel is covered over, and it's just starting to cover the second one here, and then now the front one is starting to get a little shady. Now it's 1.49, but you're going to call it 1.5 amps. Okay, disconnect, go over and check Luke's up there. All right, let's go do it. Basically checked it at the M4s. M4 is a connector, an official connector for these panels. It's called an M, capital M, 4, number 4. Okay, pack up the equipment here and go over there and check that van. Okay, we made it to Luke's van. He has one panel, one HQST panel, and I'm going to check that for volts and amps while we have just a little bit of sun here. Checking the 100-watt flexible 12-volt panel on the top of this truck. Okay, this is Oscar inside the van, the 2006 Chevy van that I showed you before. And we got the controller, which is a Bogart Engineering. And then we have the trimetric meter. And then we have the TriStar controller. Okay, time to check the voltage and the amps. What we're going to do, have to disconnect the panel either by switch so that we can do a test on it. Hi, this is Oscar. Yeah, we're listening to the crows and we're verifying the meter reading on the panel. Okay, the meter reading on the panel is 4.6. So we're getting 4.6 amp. All right, we did a system test on Luke's van. We're getting 20 volts and 4.6 amps. End of story. Okay.